Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you my January Boxycharm unboxing. So if you guys want to know what's in my Boxycharm for this month, then just keep on watching. Alright, so this month's theme is boxy and chill. That's super cute. It has like a little bit of like a nighttime theme maybe. Okay, so the first thing in here, ooh, this is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. I want to say we've gotten Volume 2 in the past, and I know I had Volume 1 at some point, so I'm not sure what this one looks like. Oh, I've never had this palette. This is really cute packaging. All right, so here is what the palette looks like. It looks like most of it is shimmer. I think it has 8 shades, 7 shimmers, and just 1 matte shade. I'm not sure if I'm gonna end up keeping this palette just because in the past I have ended up decluttering the other Rainforest of the Sea palettes. Not because I don't like them, but just because I didn't see myself using them as often as my other palettes. So I'm gonna set this one aside just in case I do end up passing it along to a friend or something. But I will say that I have liked the quality of these palettes in the past. I'm just trying to keep new palettes to a minimum right now and go through what I already have in my collection. Otherwise, I would definitely hang on to that one. So if you did get it, I'm sure you guys will love that palette too. Okay, this I love already because I have had a full size of this and I ran out and I miss having it in my collection. This is from Briogeo. This is the Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. This is so awesome for detangling your hair. I have extensions and they get really tangled. So really love this. I will definitely be using this up because I have before and my hair has missed it. And this is also awesome as like a heat protectant too. It leaves your hair really silky, and Briogeo products always smell really good. So I'm sure you guys would enjoy that, especially if you have curly or wavy or thick hair. I have really curly hair naturally, and then my extensions are straight, so it ends up being like a mess if I don't end up using some kind of spray like that. So definitely excited for that. And then this, ooh, this is from Bite Beauty, and it's one of their Amouche Bouche lipsticks. And I love knowing that word. Like anytime I go, this one time that I went to a fancy restaurant like a year ago and they gave us an Amouche Bouche. And I'm like, oh, like Bite Beauty. It's like a palette cleanser, I think. Super random. But anyways, this shade is Ginger Snap. So maybe it's like an orangey shade. I don't think I have any of the Bite full-size lipsticks. And I always want to try more from Bite Beauty. So let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. I do like this shade. I almost wish it was nude because I would definitely wear it way more often. But I was wearing a lot of shades like this over the summer. So I will probably be wearing a shade like this for spring and summer. Valentine's Day coming up soon. Oh, I'm so excited to have one of these because I always see these at Sephora and I don't know why I've never picked one up. So let me just backtrack real quick and give you guys the prices of everything so far because I got carried away with all of the products. The Tarte palette is $36, the lipstick is $26, and then the hairspray from Briogeo is $12. And then next I see something from Tatcha, and this is the only thing I now own from Tatcha. These are their sheet masks. Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. I believe these are like $12 each. Let me check. Yeah, so it says $24. So these are $12 masks each. I need to save these for like my driest skin days, especially because they are pricey, but I have been wanting to try these. I have been wanting to try Tatcha. It is a very expensive skincare brand, but I've been wanting to try like everything from them. So I'm excited for these, especially for like this time of year. My skin is naturally dry. I live in dry weather and then it's winter, so I can definitely use those. And then lastly, I need to unpackage this, but this is from Starlooks. I don't know if I've heard of the brand. And then this is a long wear eye pencil. Let me get the packaging off. So I'm glad this is not a mechanical pencil. I thought it would be. It's like a pink glitter. Let's see if this shows up. Uh-oh. I broke off a little bit. I don't think I like this anymore. Yeah, you can, like, it's right there. You guys can probably barely see anything on camera, but even just like looking at it, I can barely see anything. I don't want to break it anymore. Oh no, I don't like this color. Not just because of the color, but like the glitter makes it like really hard to see. Maybe for like an eye brightening for like the inner corner or something, but I really had to pass over it a couple times to build up the color, and I don't really like to do that on my eyeballs. So I lost a little bit and I'm sad about that, but definitely not a color I see myself wearing, really. I was excited for the glitter and then it disappointed me. So that's the one like flop from this month, but everything else definitely excited for. Even if I'm not gonna keep the palette, it's definitely an awesome value. All right, so the Starlux eyeliner retails for $19, which is pretty pricey considering I probably broke like $3 worth when I was trying to swatch it on my hand. But otherwise, the total value of my box is $117. So it's usually around that each month. And I feel like we got some really good products. We got some full-size products, and I'm super excited about the Tatcha products. Because I just don't think I would have spent like $12 on one sheet mask otherwise, but I've always wanted to try it, so I am really, really excited about that. But that is everything in my box for this month. Let me know what you guys get in your boxes. Oh, let me tell you what number. I got number 14 for my box, and I didn't get anything that told me the weight of my box. I looked at my tracking, it didn't say anything, and it didn't say anything on the box. But that is gonna be everything for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.